G'day guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video we are going to be doing some more testing with the DR10. Now I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, and it's been a while since I've done anything no prep related. Problem is it's just been freaking raining a lot, and it's put a dampener on, well, no pun intended, put a dampener on my radio control hobbies, both land and air. So it's been a while since I've had a chance to go out and do anything with my cars and planes and so forth. So what we're going to be doing is, if we have a look over here, have to excuse the mess guys, it's been pretty hectic. I've actually been doing some testing with my nitro buggy and doing a few little things here and there that might be in a later video. But what we're going to be doing is seeing if we can get this to go a little bit faster. I seem to have the handling issue sorted, knock on wood. And so what I have done is I've got some lead weight up the front here. Battery is all far forward as possible, and the tires seem to have made a difference. So what we're going to do guys, without any more jibber jabbering, as my American friend would say, we'll head out to the test area and see what we can do. Well guys, we are at the usual spot. It is rather clean and didn't require a lot of blowing off. I just have this little electric blower with me just to get any debris off the surface, but it wasn't too bad actually, so that's a plus. The only downfall, if you can't hear through the microphone, it's a bit windy, but currently got the tire warmers on. I'm going to put the burnout mat over in the usual spot, and what I'm going to do is, for my first pass, it'll just be a test pass because I haven't changed any settings since last time, and it'll be a test pass, and I will then, after I've done that, I will hook the speed controller up to my phone and change a few parameters, and we're going to go from there. Alright guys, like I said, this first pass is going to be a test one, so we'll just do a quick tire heat up. Alright, drag, start. Alright, here we go. Alright, that was good. Alright. Read. Okay, 71 kilometers an hour, and that was a 3-second pass. Okay, so like I said, I haven't touched anything, and car went good so far. I mean, it did veer off to the left a little bit, but that was just small. I did put in small corrections, but 71 kilometers an hour, 3.05. Alright, so now what I'm going to do guys is I'm going to make a few adjustments, and we're going to do another pass. Alright guys, made a few adjustments, so do a quick warm up, do tire clean first. Alright, let's warm this up. Alright, let's see, no, drag, start. Alright, let's see how we go. Wow, that was moving. I had to give it a little bit of right turn just to compensate for that torque. You probably saw it shift to the left, and there was a bit of wheel spin, but that was definitely better. Alright, let's see. 2.91 at 73 kilometers an hour. Okay, so that's definitely picked up a tenth. The acceleration was 1.63. I'm going to try my best to get a little bit more grip. You may have just saw in that as it accelerated, you may have heard some of the wheel spin. I might have to adjust the power settings just a little bit, but other than that, that's some progress. All right, time to make a few more adjustments. All right, guys, made a few little adjustments to the power settings, like the throttle settings. So let's give it a warm up. Just make sure that that's it. All right. Alright, now drag, start. Alright guys, here goes nothing. Alright, this is going really good. I'm happy with this. Wasn't any wheel spin on that particular run. Whoop. Alright, read. Okay, so that was a little slower. It was 3.01, so I lost a tenth at 72 kilometers an hour. Okay, so that was back to the draw. Now, I want to make it very clear too, guys, that this is the one battery pack for this car. I've got no other battery packs, so that's its third pass. So it is quite possible that the voltage is starting to drop. I mean, it's a 6,900 milliamp hour pack, but you know, 4-turn motor under high load's gonna cause significant drain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it cool off, and I'm going to check the settings on the speed controller again, and we are going to do one more pass. Alright guys, I have reapplied some traction compound, not a lot, so I'm going to make sure I do a decent enough burnout to heat it all up and get it sticky. So this will be the last pass. This could go wrong, but let's see what happens. Alright, moment of truth, drag, start. Alright, here we go guys. There was a bit of wheel spin on that. Alright, let's see how we go. Read 3.2 at 64. Yeah, I lost a whole heap of speed there guys. I kind of figured it was going to happen. There was a fair amount of wheel spin, so yeah, that's not the best pass. 3.2 seconds, but I mean, we are going in a straight line, we're not crashing, as you can definitely tell from the body. It's definitely been through some battles trying to get it to go straight. But yeah, I'm going to have to make that the last pass because I'm pretty sure the battery voltage is starting, well, it's below 8 volts. So Give me a moment, guys, and I'll be back to wrap this video up. Well, guys, I'd have to say that I'm quite happy with the results today. The car, I wouldn't say performed flawlessly, but it was able to go in a straight line without crashing or flipping or doing anything stupid. So the lead weight that I put on the front seems to have made a difference. The tires have definitely helped, and just got to work out that traction compound, if I can get the word out. So yeah, that, like I said, I only did those 4 passes. I only have the 1 battery. I mean, I do have another drag, like no prep drag battery pack, but it's the Trinity RevTech square bricks kind of style one, so it won't fit properly. So yeah, I might get another battery for it so I can do more passes. But I seem to have solved the issue with it being out of control. So I guess the next thing to do now is to work on getting it to go faster. So the 2.9 second pass was its best pass that I did, and I'm happy with that. So that's the end of this video, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to give it a like. If you have any tips, pointers for me to make the car go faster, please don't hesitate to comment down below. I'm always open for ideas and some constructive criticism. So until then, guys, enjoy your hobby and cheers.